here at ARLO.
Nice tall cab.
I have a ThyssenKrupp.
Alright, send it down.
There's a floor directory. There's a permit. It's a pretty typical like apartment cab. I think it's tall because of furniture. You move that stuff around.
Elevator C.
Much more elevators.
Person has a photo.
Yep.
The way that works is a little bit mysterious. These are kind of slow.
Yeah.
One already went out.
Let me see what the cab looks like. Just standard wooden cab. Wanna end on the street?
Sure. Oh, you can see up to the shaft. It's kind of neat.
Basic synergy. Got a blue key card reader that's fortunately disabled.
I thought blue meant something.